Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Titingin tayo ng lechon. Maraming lechon dito. Let's go. Wait lang tayo. Okay. We'll check the lechon. Oh, kahit hindi na kailangan ng lechon, ako mukha na akong lechon. Pwede ng lechon yun. Joke lang guys. We'll check the lechon. Ay, sa lot of lechon. Ang daming lechon. Oy. Ano to? Lechon factory. Ay, sana. Okay. Dito guys. Ang daming lechon. Hi kuya. Luto na. Alin dyan ya? Ayun. Ito? Itong maliit? Ang lalaki nung isa oh. Guys, it's lechon. Kanina amoy pansit tayo, ngayon amoy prito, ngayon amoy lechon. Oh, ayan. Ang galing mo ni ate, oy. Lechon, guys. Ayan. Si ate also yung mag-ano ng lechon. I want to do the lechon one. How to do that lechon? Diba? Pipicturan daw, nasaan yon? Yon? Mamaya pagdating ilalagay dito. Kanin na lang yung kulang, amoy lechon na tayo. This is the finished product, guys. This is the finished product. Ready to deliver. Oh, this is big lechon, guys. Oh. It's a big lechon.
Ito, i-video ka.
Ayan na yung lechon, guys. So, let's go for it. See? Deliver or the lechon is there, so we'll deliver it. So guys, let's go. We will deliver all the food that we cook for today. Let's go, guys.
Ganyan ako tatawagan niya pag nata sa video.
Oh, tingnan na ako.